Hi guys, hi babes, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new day. Come in the frame, husband. Come. In the frame, say hello.
Good morning, good afternoon.
It's bittersweet. Why is it? It's bittersweet. I'm not feeling as sad as I want to feel, but because I know my babies will be in good hands. By the title of this vlog, you guys should know, and hopefully you guys can hear me based off the noise around. But I'm trying to start a vlog here, so let's vlog, shall we? Today babe and I are kicking off our anniversary trip. We will be celebrating 10 years of wedding anniversary next week, but we couldn't get the week off from work next week. Well, babe couldn't, so we decided that we're gonna take the week off for the week before our anniversary. So this trip we're celebrating our 10-year wedding anniversary, and we're heading to the Canary Islands. So yeah, I got a week off from work thanks to my manager for allowing that, so I will be able to celebrate with babe. And it's the first time that we are taking a trip without the kids. Where is the kids? There's no kids. How you feel about that, babe?
I'm okay. I will think about it morning and evening. Just make sure it's fine. But that's school. So once they're school,
yeah, so you're wondering who is home with the kids, who will be taking care of the kids. My mother-in-law is amazing. She came and she will be staying with the kids for a week until we get back. So they are in good hands. The kids adore their grandma. So this morning she woke up and she did school runs and she did school routine with the kids. So I'm comfortably knowing that the kids will be okay. The kids will be in good hands until we get back. But it's our first time ever taking a trip without the kids, and because I know they're with their grandma, I'm not too worried. But my mind is still not settled. I think I would cry, but I'm not crying. I'm strong. And Sarah completely understand. I thought she would also cry and she would also act different, but when I explained to her that Mama and Papa is leaving on the 4th and we're coming back the 9th, so what I did was use her Advent Christmas calendar that she been choosing her Christmas chocolate from the 1st of December. She knows that when she chooses the number 4, Mama and Papa will be leaving, which is today, and when she chooses the number 9, we will return on this day. So she is fully aware that we will come back, and I heard her grandma ask her this morning which date Mama and Papa will be returning, and she said the 9. So she's fully aware that her grandma is dropping her to school and her grandma will be picking her up, and Tyler is a big boy. Tyler got this and Tyler will help to take care of her. So of course we'll call them morning and evening just to make sure that they're doing good. But they're at school in the day, so like babe said, they're at school in the day, so we don't have much to worry about. It's just the morning and the evening to make sure that their routine is done, but grandma got this. So yeah, we are at the airport right now. We are a little bit in advance of our check-in time. Our flight is at 6:45 and it's almost 4 o'clock, so check-in should open in a few minutes. It's raining outside, it's cold here in Nice, and where we're going it will be a little sunny, so we're looking forward to that. Yeah, so we're waiting to check in, and as soon as I check in I'll take you guys along, and hopefully I'll get to vlog as much. I carry my laptop, so once I carry my laptop, you guys know I have all intention of vlogging and documenting as much of this for you guys as possible, freezing this moment, this historic moment that was taking a trip for the first time without the kids, you know. So we have to freeze this. Is a must as much as we can. So yeah, I'm taking you guys along and I will be showing you guys as much as I can of this adventure with my husband and I for this entire week. Are you looking forward to the week, babe?
From scale from 10 to 10.
10 to 10. He's so looking forward. He's ready. So anyway, you guys, catch up and keep up. Subscribe if you're new to the fandom, and we'll see you guys along this vlog and the next few vlogs to come. So don't miss out. Subscribe if you're new. Wow, what kind of bottle is this? Pretty. You pray for the bottle, not for what's inside. You're paying for the bottle, not for what's inside. Cigarette? Why are you looking at cigarettes?
I was just looking at the price. Expensive.
Still thinking about my kids. We have checked in, going through duty free right now to head to our plane. First stop, Madrid. Look at this penguin. No, not penguin. Flamingo. He's obviously happy about Christmas. He can fly. Fine food, fashion, luxury. Okay. All right. Your favorite, babe? Lin chocolate, the best chocolate ever. Did I have a smaller pack? I'll take a bounty. Oh, Lordy. Yeah. Look if they have over there. I take a big one. I take a big one. There's Pringles too if you want Pringles. There's Pringles. You want Pringles? We want to get chocolate before we board our flight. So we're in the chocolate shop looking at chocolates. And there's Pringles. Yeah, original.
Like this size?
That's good. And then Bounty, sorry. Pistachio. Did I have a cashew? Damn, why is this cashew so little bit and so expensive? One cashew, but that's expensive. It's the snickerware.
You want to pay with card?
I don't see any. This sneaker right there.
Yes, it's sneakers.
Ah. You can take the sneaker. I don't want so much bounty. I mean, we can have it for the entire trip. You gonna eat with me?
It's a good amount.
Yeah. One
If
pack
you want
for 10.
bounty, take the other one.
Damn, €10 for this?
That's big.
Ow,
Thing.
shock.
Go at the store.
Get that for 3. Babe, no buy it.
Eh?
I feel guilty.
You want it or not? If you don't want it, I don't take it.
I want it, but the price is killing me. $17. How much is in that one?
11. 17 for €2 more. I'd rather take this one.
Okay.
This is better.
It's a better deal?
It's a better deal.
Okay.
That's it.
Yes. That's it. so sad. We just realized that we weren't seated together because we thought that we would automatically be seated together because we're the same name. Baby's all the way up there and I'm all the way down here. I am beyond sad. But anyway, I'm gonna see if I can get somebody to switch their seat with me. Let's see.
Landing for your safety and comfort. Smoking is not permitted on board, including the use of electronic cigarettes throughout the whole flight. We ask you to follow the cruise instructions, placards and illuminated signs during the flight, and read carefully the safety instructions located.
I am hungry and I can't do hunger, so I'm buying one of these chicken salad right here. It looks really good. We're in Madrid right now. We just landed and have our connecting flight in about 20 minutes. Yeah, 20 minutes. So I'm gonna eat. I'm hungry. Don't want a headache. Dinner in Madrid airport, it is so good. A mixture of chicken, rice, avocado, mango, nuts, what is this? Peas. So good. We have arrived at our hotel and this is the lobby, heading to our room right now. Look at that beauty. Hello. Where did he say we're gonna pass that we can get some food? Is this place that's closed? He said we're gonna pass somewhere that we can get. Or is this one on the left? Toilets. Block 1. Block 1. Happy birthday. Aww. C'est pas mal. Entering the room. Oh. Oh. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my god, we got a bath. Oh snap, what is behind here? There's a toilet. Yes. Oh, and a shower. Okay. And we have 2 sinks. Have a phone, have a big bed that we're gonna make use of. I got a little office, nice decor, and we got a view here from this end. It's nice. We have a nice little lounge area, and of course the tall mirror. And they said there's a bar and the mini bar is free.
Yeah, most of the time
They said it's refilled every day.
Yeah.
Let me see.
Drink.
Oh, there's drink.
Coca-Cola.
And there's things to make tea. What is in here? Oh, there's 2 toilets.
Good.
He's happy about that, so I don't have to bother him. And there's a safe, there's an iron, yes. 2-sided closet. Let's see on the other side. Yes. Yes to the unpacking for the next few days. In here is hot though. So I need to turn on the AC. It's hot. It's hot, babe. Alright. So.
What you want? You want to go to the... You're not hungry?
No, I'm gonna eat the rest of my...
Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, put